Hello, how can I help you?
I want to go on a trip, but I don't know where to go. Can you help me pick a destination?
Australia, Indonesia, Japan. The ticket is being printed. Please wait. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for takeoff. Passengers, please put away your tray table. Passengers, please open the window shade. Passengers, please fasten your seatbelt. Our plane is about to take off. The restroom will be temp. Fastening your seatbelt can keep you safe. Cabin check is complete.
Please tap on the start button. Please pull the throttle. Please operate the control stick. The plane took off successfully. We're on our way.
Passengers, we will arrive in Australia shortly.
The Opera House is very famous here. We're rehearsing for today's performance. Can you help us? Connect all the notes and I'll be able to sing a beautiful song. Wow, you've got an amazing voice! Finally, we need to arrange the rhythm.
Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please take care. Please find all the safety hazards in the cabin. Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please remain seated. The restroom is temporarily closed. The safety check is complete and you did a great job.
Time to equip the magical item.
Passengers, we will arrive in Indonesia shortly.
I would like to go sea fishing. There are so many fish here. Let's start fishing. The fish is on the hook. Time to reel in. the fish soup together!
Passengers, the meal service.
I'm done eating! I like the food!
Passengers, we will arrive in Japan shortly.
This is a great place for a hot spring bath! Before entering a hot spring, we need to wash our body first. Apply soap to get rid of all the bacteria. It's time to rinse. Quickly dry the body with a towel and don't get a cold. Put them into the water. Throw in some hot spring goodies to make our soak even more comfortable. Wow, these petals have turned the spring water pink. Wow, it's a fragrant milk spring. The water is too hot. Let's lower the temperature.
Thank you for traveling on the Baby Bus flight, and we look forward to seeing you again.